Before we begin this video, please subscribe right now and click the notification bell to get news on Asante Kotoko.
What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Daily Porcupine, the ultimate Kotoko farm channel. This happened the last time we played against Legon cities. This also happened. And this also happened. Now let's talk about the game. We play Legon Cities at the Accra Sports Stadium tomorrow by 6 p.m. Ghanaian time. So it will be live on Star Times. And if you want to watch, subscribe to the Star Times app or you buy the Star Times decoder. Now going into the game, Asante Kotoko have got a lot of time. They had a lot of rest since they couldn't play against Nodibo FC because of that chaotic or controversial game. It was cancelled twice, of course, and the game was finally cancelled, and Asante Kotoko were given the go-ahead into the next round of the competition after Nodibo wouldn't show up for the game because of the coronavirus confusion or concern or whatever you want to call it. But going into this game, Asante Kotoko will be fully fit and they'll be looking to put out a good performance, considering that the first two games in the Ghana Premier League this season against 11 Wonders against Bergum Chelsea isn't as good as one would expect, considering how talented the players are. Going into this game, Asante Kotoko might keep the same lineup they used against Bergum Chelsea, with Habib Mohamed returning and Marcel Konedu maintaining his 4-4-2 formation with Osman Ibrahim and Kwame Opoko up front. Felix Annan is yet to be back from injury, so Kwame Ba is expected to keep his position at the post. Tanad Ibrahim is still with the Ghana under-20 team in Benin for the WAFU competition. Razak Abolora just recovered from the coronavirus and he might feature later this season, but not now. I think Kwame Ba will still keep his position. Now let's talk about Legon Cities. They sacked their coach. Their coach, because of bad record, and they also have Asamoah. Asamoah played their last game, and he'll be one of the best, or one of the players to watch in that particular game, because the last game he featured had a lot of views because he featured in that game. So I'm expecting him to play against Asante Kotoko, and I also expect Bashir Hayford to make it difficult for Kotoko, considering their history. And it's going to be a very good game, very tight game, and I hope we score a lot of goals and we also win the game, because the last time we played against Legon Cities we won 3-1. It was a very good game, entertaining. The fans were there, they were cheering. This time around there's only few media men, some of them Kotoko fans, will be cheering on and supporting Kotoko, and some other personalities in the VIP section of the stadium. So I'm expecting it to be a very tough game, but I'm hoping Asante Kotoko come out victorious in that game. Yes, so I'm predicting a 2-1 win for Kotoko. 2-1 win for Kotoko, because I know it's going to be a very tough game, but we have a lot of quality, and I think we have enough quality to beat Legon Cities at the Accra Sports Stadium tomorrow 6 p.m. Yes, I think we have the quality to beat them. Now let's talk about our CAF Champions League. I'm hearing that the CAF Champions League game, since we have scaled through the next competition to the next stage of the competition, Kotoko will be playing Al Hilal at Tamale Stadium. I think 23rd of this month. Yes, that's what I think. Yes, 23rd of this month, and the second leg will be played in Sudan next month. That's in January 2021. But I feel it's going to be a very tough game, and I hope we also win that. So that's all for today. I would like to know your predictions. Drop your predictions about the game and which player you think will score against Legon Cities. Put down in the comment section. I think that's all for today. My name is Clinton Leto. Till next time, guys. Goodbye.